What's going on, guys? It's Sean here, and I am back today to give you guys a review of the Brain Dead collaboration with Converse on the 1-star model. These dropped back on February 7th for $120 US or $150 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is Egret, white and black. So these 1-stars are the follow-up release to the Chuck 70 collaboration between Brain Dead and Converse. Brain Dead, the creative collective based out of Los Angeles, has created this very loud and almost a Yin-Yang inspired shoe. So they dipped into Converse's archives, incorporating these unique prints that was found on previous Converse releases. So before we move on any further, here's a quick look at the box. So this box, similar to the shoes, is very loud, and we have all these patterns found throughout the box, including this cheetah print on the front, we got the camo, we have stars, and the zebra print on this side. Jumping back into the shoes, so as you guys can tell, the left foot is unique from the right foot. First off, taking a look at the right foot, so the entire shoe is constructed out of suede. On the lateral side here we have the zebra print, which are overlays of black stripes on top of this gray suede. And in the middle we have this cutout that reveals the canvas star underneath. However, on the medial side, here we have this black suede with this white polka dot print found throughout. Running down the center of the shoe, including the toe box area, here we have this cheetah print, which makes its way up and onto the tongue itself. And then this cheetah print is found on the back of the shoe as well, running down the center. On the left shoe, so this is different. So on the lateral side, here we have this cheetah print instead of the zebra print. And then on the medial side, instead of black suede, we have gray suede, but similarly we have these black polka dots instead. Running down the center of the left shoe, we have black suede with these white polka dots running throughout. In either case, these come standard with flat off-white colored laces, but they also come with a secondary pair of black laces if you want to opt for a more darker look. So wrapping around the very top of the interior, we have this very soft black leather. And then as you pull out the insoles, you'll see that on the left foot, we have the Brain Dead logo, and then on the right foot, we have the Converse logo. For both insoles, these are pretty padded, especially underneath the heel where you see there's an additional layer of foam. So the upper of these Brain Dead Converses sit atop this full-length off-white colored midsole. At the very top edge, we have a bunch of text that reads, for example, "To see and be seen as far as the eye can see," "Who controls the control men," and "The same elsewhere." The midsole itself has a bit of a glossy finish to it too. At the very back of the midsole, we have the signature bumper that has the Converse All-Star branding in black. Flipping these over to the bottom, so here we have your standard outsole. So the entire outsole is done in black rubber, and then we have this Converse All-Star branding found right in the center. In terms of sizing, so these Converse 1-stars do fit big. So my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I got these in a size 9. So I'd recommend going a full size down from your true size if you want the perfect fit. Comfort-wise, as far as Converse goes, these are actually pretty comfortable. So the insole, as I mentioned earlier, is pretty thick, and especially underneath the heel where it's double stacked, you really feel that cushioning. So these are definitely not bricks by far, and in my opinion, they're gonna feel perfectly fine for just an everyday casual use shoe. So with all that being said, now let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Overall, there is no denying that this shoe is extremely loud, and having all these patterns, honestly, they aren't going to be for everyone, but to me, I think that they're pretty dope. Is this going to be a shoe, for example, that I'm going to say is a shoe of the year? Definitely not by far. But if you're looking for a shoe that's very loud and eccentric, but not in the sense that they're super colorful, then you guys might want to consider these Brain Dead Converse 1-stars. The quality is on point, comfort is pretty good, so overall, these were a pretty good buy for the price point. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of these Brain Dead Converse 1-stars. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.